Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So now what we have here specifically, guys, we'll demonstrate on this 2017 Chevy Malibu right here, guys. Now, if the AC air conditioner doesn't blow cold air, let's explain what can easily, guys, cause that. There are a few fuses that we need to check. You have, guys, 3 different fuse boxes. Today we'll work in 2 of them. The first one is on the driver's side. Open the door. On the left side of the steering wheel, come here under the headlight switch. You have that cover here. Go ahead, open it, and you will see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one right here. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to always test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here, guys, we need to check 2 fuses. We're going to zoom in a little bit so you can clearly see, and here what we have now. We're going to have fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuse number 4 will need to be checked. Then 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Very important fuse right here, 10M fuse you need to check. Then open the hood facing the engine on the right side right here. You have a fuse box under that cover. Go ahead, open it, guys, and you will see that layout here. Now here we need to check a few fuses. One of them is fuse number 11 for the climate control right here. Then you need to check fuse number 29. This is that fuse right here. Next you need to check fuse number 65, this 10M fuse under the relay. You need to check that relay right here, which is 64, and relay 73. Other things that can cause your air conditioner not to work could be being low on Freon, guys. That's R134A, that's a Freon. So you can connect it and see on the gauge, okay, if you have Freon. If you don't, it's very likely that you have a leak. It could be such as leaking hose, leaking compressor, leaking condenser. Condenser is one of the most popular things that we see here at the shop to go bad and cause leaks. Now, other things that can cause the air conditioner not to work, it could be bad AC pressure switch. This is the special device on the high pressure line of your air conditioner that detects if you have pressure in the system, so the engine computer will activate the air conditioner compressor. It could be bad AC clutch, or it could be bad AC compressor. Now, something else that most people never think, it could be bad radiator fan or blown fuse or relay for the radiator fan. If radiator fan does not work, it's very likely your air conditioner will be deactivated. That way it will minimize the chance for your car to overheat. So check the fuse for the radiator fan, test your radiator fan as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.